Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning what is Hexbin chart and we'll be demonstrating how to create Hexbin chart in Tableau. So first of all we should get to know what are Hexbin charts. So the Hex charts are based on geospatial object in which all regions of map are represented by hexagons. That is, the chart also refers as the way of utilization of 2D density techniques. So we'll begin by importing Microsoft Excel file using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau. We'll click on it and we'll import whole continuous states additive dataset in Tableau. Our dataset is being imported and by executing queries. So now we move to sheet number 1. Okay, we right click on this panel and we create a parameter. So we give the name as ratio, this parameter. Now we create the Hexbin latitude, that is, we'll create a calculated field and we'll name it as hex latitude. So here we use the function xy, xby, and here we use the formula latitude into ratio longitude into ratio. Okay, copy it so that it will help in doing the formula. Now we'll create x longitude the same way we created calculated field. We'll name it as x longitude. So here we'll paste it and we'll just change this as hex primitive and the rest of the formula remains the same. Now we'll grab the hex longitude and we'll drop it in the columns section. Okay. Now after this we'll just uncheck the aggregate measures option here. Okay, now we'll just drag hex latitude and drop it onto rows. Okay. Now we just drag USA state and we drop it on the colors. Now we'll change the marks from automatic to square and we'll just select the measure of this as count distant. So now this is the Hexbin chart of using the latitude and longitude of the dataset. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.